tracking our more winter-like forecast today, and it really seems like it's all about timing today of both the system and where you are in the state.
Yep, timing, the wind direction change, the temperature change, all of that.
Noticed that definitely this morning.
Yeah, and along the coastline it already feels quite a bit warmer, and I think there'll be very little snow at the coast, probably mainly rain.
Okay.
But it may be one of those systems where you just drive like 5 miles away from the water.
The line's that close.
Yeah, and I think for a couple hours this afternoon there will be snow coming down close to the coast. 33 right now in Portland. We had a little coating of snow overnight last night, and there were some places, by the way, around Rockland that picked up 3-4 inches of snow, which we were talking about yesterday. North Conway, New Hampshire, 45 minutes ago there was nothing on the ground. Now you have a solid coating there. It's 24, and this is a live view from Casco with the flakes flying. It's 28. So if you're along the coastline, there may be a brief start of snow, but it's looking like mostly rain right at the coast. Inland, you'll start as snow and then change to rain at some point during the afternoon and evening. And in between, there may be a period of some light freezing rain, but I don't think there are many problems from that. Just means it's going to be a bit of a mess on the roads. Mountains and up north, though, mostly or all snow. This is the radar picture as of 12:45. The leading edge moving into York County around Sanford, some very light snow falling. Pretty good burst, though, as you saw from Casco back to Bridgeton, Brownfield, Freiburg, over to Conway, New Hampshire, and that extends here up into the mountains. First flakes coming into Paris and Leeds, and beginning in Lewiston very shortly. Along the coastline, you're not shaded in blue, which means the temperatures here have gone above freezing, but the vast majority of the state is still below freezing, and that's why there will be some slippery spots developing. So by 4 o'clock, right at the coast, we're looking at mainly rain, but you head just inland, even by 5, certainly 10 miles, and you're looking at snow at this point in time. So I think it's a slippery commute out through the Lakes region, northern York County, Lewiston, Auburn, Augusta, Waterville, Bangor, and all snow and quite slippery up through the mountains. 6 o'clock this evening, rain right at the coast, snow continuing across the interior, and a mix in between for a brief period of time. And then I do think we get that rain line up into central Maine, up into Bangor and eastern Maine, but it stays all snow through the western foothills and the mountains. Toward midnight tonight, the precipitation ends, and this is out of here by tomorrow morning, and then we start turning cold again on the backside of the system. So there could be a coating even as far south as Sanford, Westbrook, and then into a lot of central Maine here. I think we get at least an inch. Bangor, Waterville, Augusta, the Lewiston, Auburn area, Gray, New Gloucester, the Lakes region, and then 1 to 3 inches through most of the foothills and mountains, with the highest elevations seeing 3 to 6 inches of snow. Tomorrow, temperatures go down during the day. There could be a flurry or snow shower, and that will come with wind chills that drop through the afternoon, through the teens and into the single digits by the end of the day tomorrow. Seas 4 to 6 feet through the afternoon with southwesterly winds 15 to 25 knots on the water. So snow and rain moving in. Again, it begins as snow. I think it's a slippery evening commute for a lot of people just away from the water. Partly sunny tomorrow, but the high temperature is in the morning, so the temperatures will be dropping through much of the day. And it's cold and blustery for Friday. Right now it looks like a storm system doesn't really come together to hit us on Sunday, but we may get some snow showers or light snow. And then, Brian, another shot of cold for early next week.
Okay, December's doing its thing.
Yeah, it is
for another
doing its
week.
thing.
All right, Ryan, thanks so much.
Yep.